Get him out. Get him out, Loudon. Where's the net? Where is it, Loudon? Oh, it's on the front of the boat. Finally. This guy right here. This is Michael Loudon. This is the Sheepshead Slayer. This guy right here.
Welcome back. Thanks for tuning in. Subscribe. The link is below. Strike Mission Fishin'. You know the name. I wasn't able to go out and get any fish this weekend. I had prior engagements, but Eric was. He absolutely slayed it. Shout out to him and I's friend Michael Loudon, Sheepshead Slayer. But some epic footage. Eric's gonna kind of explain to you the weekend and exactly what happened.
So we went out this weekend. The first day we went to Cape Canaveral and we fished in the rain and probably like 20 to 30 mile an hour gusting wind and like some pretty decent rain.
It was howling.
And we managed to get a live well full of sheepshead Saturday, but it just wasn't quite doing it as good as the spot that we had gone to like 2 weeks ago. And then so we decided, we were just like, oh well, we're just gonna go down to the other spot. We're gonna go to the secret sheepshead spot where we slayed it like 2 weeks ago, and we tried to go and do that Sunday, and it didn't quite work out, but we still wind up getting a live well full. They weren't biting as hard as they were a couple weeks ago, but the big ones I don't think have come in yet. So
yeah guys, this is some epic footage. You're absolutely gonna like it. You know, like, subscribe, you know what to do. Eric's got the rod right here. We're gonna kind of give you a quick rundown on what they used out there, exactly how they caught all these sheepshead. So super simple setup. You probably seen a lot of people use the same sort of thing. This is just a number 1 owner octopus hook. We were fishing with fiddler crabs. 20-pound pink tsunami leader with a 1/4 ounce split shot. We were using the lightest setup you can use to hold bottom and the little bit of current that we had out there. I got a 8-foot Andy Tournament Series rod with a 4,000 pin reel on it with a 20-pound Power Pro. What kind of knot are you using here, bud? Super basic setup. This is an uni to uni knot, just a super basic line to line connection, because we were using just a regular setup, so you know, didn't need a super critical knot. We didn't need to use an FG or anything like that. So that's just a super basic line to line connection, just for, you know, bridge fishing sort of stuff. You'll see where I switched to the lighter leader and got smoked a couple times in the video, but yeah, it happens. But I mean, that's kind of the name of the game, you know. Sheepshead fishing, you're always around the structure. You guys know, I'm sure a lot of you that watch the videos and everything see sheepshead, catch a lot of sheepshead. They're out there, very good eating. We have some friends that actually we've known for a long time around here that have, you know, lived here all their lives, and they actually haven't eaten sheepshead, and they are delicious. They're pretty easy to catch once you find them, find where they're at. But guys, also I did want to give a quick shout out to Florida Man Fishing. Please like, subscribe his content. He's good. Check him out. He catches some big fish. He's got a couple of really good videos. Florida Man Fishing. Check him out. Like and subscribe. Yeah. That's one of our buddies. One of our good friends. Shout out. You'll see him on Strike Mission Fishin' sometime soon. Yeah, we got some collabs coming soon. So, anyways, enough blabbering. Let's get to it, guys. Enjoy. Got one finally. First sheephead of the day. Hell yeah. Stuck him. It's a baby, but oh well. Got the stink off me. Broke the camera curse. Oh, look at him. He ain't hardly got no tail. Shitting everywhere. Look at that tail. He ain't hardly got one. Look at a grill on this guy. I got 20. They might be. I was getting skunked on 30 last time. And then I switched to 20 and started getting 8, so. Like we're fishing for food fish.
I mean, how many do you miss because of that shit?
Got him.
Oh, yeah.
I finally got a whole one on video. Oh man, seriously. I'm like, oh yeah, I stuck one. It's a rockfish. Awesome. He's a pretty one at least. He's all belly's all red. All right, I've either hung up or I got a flounder. Oh, and it came off. So it's probably a flounder. Every time. Got something. Nope, another damn rockfish. All day, I guess. All day. Figured I'd get a little bit of this on video. That's the rocket. That's Crew Dragon that just took those folks up the other day. Love this place. Ain't no place better than Space Coast. And I figured I'd shoot a video real quick. This is what we're dealing with out at Port Canaveral this morning. We're trying to fish. The rain is like 20, 30 mile an hour wind. And spotting rain. But this is what we're dealing with this morning. So I didn't have the camera on, but I just got this guy right here. We're out here fishing in the rain in Cape Canaveral. Today's not going as well as we had expected, but we may have got something for the cooler. Come on, bud. Oh yeah, he's gonna be big enough all day. He's almost 13. Oh, that's a 14. That's a 14 right there. Oh, you can't see it on the video. That's a 14 right there. Got him. That's going in the cooler. Got him. Another little guy. I'm pretty sure that one's a short, but
just short.
Pretty at least. Probably 11. Another one. Oh, that's a good one. Show him the camera, Mike. There it goes. Big one. That one's going right in the live well. He ain't got to measure that one. That's going home for tacos. Is it? he said it was a good one right there.
You said that was a stiff rod, so I was like,
yeah. Look, he choked it too. I got it on camera. He swallowed it. Got a sheephead to swallow the hook. That's for everybody that says they're hard to hook. You got to set the hook before they bite. Look, it's all the way in his guts.
he's so determined to catch a fucking sheephead, he never even...
Look, a bunch of little ones. The way he pulled, I thought that was going to be a decent one. Trying to drift us to the fucking dock. We got a sheephead though. Our iPilot's not cooperating with the wind today. Old Mike managed to hang one though. Get him out. Get him out, Loudon.
With the net.
Where's the net? Where is it, Loudon? Oh, it's on the front of the boat.
Come on, man. Come on.
Got him. Yeah, boy. That's a real one right there, fellas. Finally. This guy right here is Michael Loudon. This is a Sheepshead Slayer. This guy right here. Let's see, how big is he? Ah, you got him, son. Woo! You guys see it on there? That's a 18-incher. Yeah, 17 and a half, 18. That's a big sheephead either way. Woo! Got one.
Happy dude.
Yeah, a little fighter. Yeah, sight casted, sight casted.
Really?
Yep. Finally, first one I ever got mid-water column. Oh, he choked it too. Gone. That's another one. Here's another one for everybody that says you got to set the hook before they bite it. Look, that hook is gone. He ate that thing. Gone. All right, guys. That's going to be the end of the day of fishing here. Got some fish out here at the port today, but it was a hard day of fishing, but we managed to get it done. It rained all day, but we got some sheepshead in the live well. We got about enough for a fish fry. Strike Mission out.
Morning. It's
5:30 a.m. Sunday morning. It's raining outside and it's still pitch black. About to take a drive for about an hour to get down to the fishing spot. We're going to go meet up with Sheepshead Slayer, Mike Loudon again today. We're gonna go see if we can do a little bit better. The spot we hit 2 weeks ago was a lot better than the place that we went yesterday, so we're just gonna go ahead and do it. We're gonna head out in the rain again today and go do some sheepshead fishing. I'm only off on the weekend right now, so if that's the only time I got off, that's when I gotta go fishing. Oh, I turned the camera on just to miss him. That must have been one of them where you gotta set the hook before they bite. They're being finicky this morning. I think got robbed 3 times. Took it away from him again. Guess gotta let him eat it today. Let me see if I can gut hook another one. I felt that one hitting it, but I couldn't get him. Got no CMs flying up inside my jacket, biting my hands. Eat it. Ah, I missed him. Oh, they're starting to bite, it looks like. Maybe if it rains enough, it'll make the bugs go away. Got one. Little guy. I'm gonna let him go, but first sheepshead of the day. Is that, oh, did I get one before you, Mike? Sheepshead anyway. Yeah. I think that's a first. I got a sheepshead before Mike for once. Come on now. I'm trying to let you go. Look at those pretty teeth. Got one. First one of the morning. Yeah, hold him up, Mike. Of course, this guy inhaled it. Oh, Mike's got one. You got a good one, Mike? Doubled up. Slow day. It's a real slow day. All right, I tried to re-rig. New hook, like a 15-pound leader, lightened up a little bit. I'm getting worked by these sheepshead this morning. So we're gonna see if this works. Try to switch it up. I've caught one and lost about 50 crabs already. Mike's getting me this morning. Oh, let's see if I can make anything happen. Morning, folks. Maybe.
That was him.
Yep. And then, so I went to the lighter leader. I got bit, and then it pulled me straight into the pilings. Awesome. Oh, wow, look, I'm frayed all the way up to the top of my leader. Cool. Try it again. Oh, got a little bit angry about that one. I switched to a lighter leader, they wouldn't hit the heavier one. And then I switched to a lighter leader and immediately got pulled into the pilings and broke off. I was a little bit upset about it. Let's see if we can do this again. I tightened the drag down, so this time I'm either gonna pull it out or I'm gonna snap it. One of the two. Got him. They're just biting right through this leader. Or I got taken into the pole again, one of the two. That was 2 in a row. It's raining. We don't care. He's pan around and give you guys some thought of what we're dealing with here. And now I'm not getting any bites. The last 2 times I put it down here with the light rig on it, I got smoked like right away, and now nothing's happening. Typical. Got him. Bro, how does this keep happening? Again. Same thing. Dog. Finally. Damn tiny one, but finally stuck one. Mean one, boy. Oh, I foul hooked him. That's what it was. I thought that one was way bigger than he was. He's just foul hooked. Now I got him in the mouth. He was just wrapped. He's just fat. This is getting ridiculous. You can see this kind of rain we're fishing in here. But we're managing to catch sheepshead, so we're still fishing.